Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of signing in to your booking.com account. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, go to the app booking.com. After that, tap on the sign in option at the bottom right and again tap on sign in. Now you can either sign in with your email address, with Apple ID, with Google, or with your Facebook account. Here I'll be going with email. Now if you choose email, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Here is the email address associated with my account. You do need to enter the email address associated with your booking.com account. After that, tap on continue. Now you'll be asked to enter the password. Enter the password of your account, and after that tap on sign in, and that's it. You'll be logged into your booking.com account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.